Hello everyone. So this is my war game and so I made several classes. The first one is my card class, which creates an instance of a card with a suit and a value. Um then my deck class stores all the values, and I also have this for all the cards in the deck, and then I have this for initializing a deck. Um, and then this initializes the 52 card deck. Um, so it assigns like the switch I used the symbols for hearts, clubs, diamonds, and spades. Um, and then this is the method that will shuffle the deck, and this one will deal the cards to the players. This is my player class, which has a name. It keeps the score and also stores the hand each player has. And then it has the play card method, which will draw a card for a player and returns whatever card was drawn. And finally, we have the function that runs the game. We get our deck, we shuffle it, we create the instance of player one to player two. And then we deal the hands to each player. Here it starts. I got a little bit fancy here with how it looks because first I just wanted to organize it in a way so that it was more readable, just that instead of just like a long, you know, list of things that were going on. And I guess I was listening to Synthwave while I did this, and it kind of like inspired me and got me a bit carried away, but I like the results. So here's their war game, and here's a for loop that will run uh as long as there's still um hands left, and it'll say which round we're on and which hand each player you know shows for each round per round. And then here it keeps track of the values so that they can compare it and say which player wins the hand, which will add a point to the score, or if it's a tie, then they don't, neither player gets the point, and then it updates whatever the scoreboard is in total so far in the game, and then when all the hands have been played, it'll print the final score and announce if player 1 or 2 won, or if it was a tie. And then finally here, it calls the function, so it starts a new game. So I'm going to the index file and run our game, and probably wait because for some reason it's taking long. Opening the console, and here's our game, our war game. So this is what it looks like. Round one, player one got an 8 of clubs, and player two a queen of hearts. So player two wins. And so you can see the scoreboard. Round two, queen of clubs, 9 of clubs. Player one wins, and then updates the scoreboard. Player one plays the ace of hearts, and then the 2 of clubs, and player one wins, and the scoreboard gets updated. As you can see, it's like pretty organized. I was trying to see if there's like a tie somewhere. I don't see a tie. Oh, here. So 6 of clubs, 6 of spades. So the round is a tie. And the scoreboard, you can see, is the same as the previous round because they didn't get a point. And it just goes there until it's all done, round 26. And this is the scoreboard. And here it'll show our final score, which is player one got 11 points and player two 13, so player two wins. If we can refresh, player two wins again. Player one, and then hopefully we get a tie in there. I swear I've gotten some ties here. It just doesn't want to get a tie. But yeah, I mean, that's... Oh, there was a tie, but oh, here, we have another one. So, well, that's everything.